Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing your 4 GB RAM laptop. Free at least 20 GB of SSD or HDD space, and set the Windows page file to 4096 MB to give Genshin Impact extra virtual memory. Update graphics drivers, enable the high-performance power plan, and plug the laptop into AC power for consistent CPU and GPU clocks. Close background apps, disable the Windows game bar and unnecessary startup programs, and connect via Ethernet or a stable 5 GHz Wi-Fi network to reduce lag and dropping resources. When you launch Genshin Impact, choose 1280x720 resolution and limit the frame rate to 30 FPS to reduce stutters on 4 GB RAM systems. Select the lowest graphics preset, turn off shadows and anti-aliasing, set render scale to 70%, and disable motion blur and depth of field to save RAM and CPU cycles. Additionally, reduce view distance and particle effects. Set texture quality to low, and use windowed full screen mode if alt-tabbing often. These choices cut memory peaks and stabilize frame timing. Before playing, enable Windows Game Mode and set Genshin Impact process to high priority in Task Manager to prioritize CPU time. Keep the laptop plugged in to prevent power throttling. Consider Ready Boost with an 8 GB USB flash drive to add cache on low RAM systems and close memory-heavy apps like Chrome, Discord, and Cloud Sync while gaming. Monitor temperatures with a lightweight tool, clean vents regularly, set a conservative play session length to avoid thermal throttling, and install game and driver updates weekly to maintain stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.